You just saw how it looks like after 50,000 kilometers of the sporty driving. As you can see, there is a sign of wear. Hi guys, and welcome to another reveal video of LSD conversion kit. This time we are doing this on E87 123 diesel with over 200 horsepower. We installed the LSD conversion kit in this car before 50,000 kilometers, and it was really abused on this differential. So we're about to check if the LSD conversion kit still works as it should. And in the second half of this video, you will have a chance to see LSD conversion kit dismantled on the table, so you guys can check the condition of all components. And let me now show you all the components, and especially those ones that you guys asked in the comments on the Facebook, Instagram and the YouTube channel. So first thing to examine is friction shims. As you can see, there is a sign of wear because this car, as we told you, passed 50,000 kilometers. So this looks pretty normal. For example, the plates are completely flat. There is a sign of wear from the small spider gears, but surface looks good. This can be reused again. Technically, you can just flip the side and use it again, but for the 40 euros price, this is not a great expense to buy the new ones. Central pin, as you can see, is like new. For those guys who asked what about this surface from spider gears, as you can see, it is like new, literally, because you can see the numbers from the manufacturing. This surface is like new. And the other group of guys asked what about the back side of the gears and the shims on the back side. I will show you this as well. You can see the lines from manufacturing from the latte machine, so it's like new. Back side of the small spider gears as well, inner side smooth, ready to be used again. Shims as well, no signs of wear, completely new. Take a look at the housing. You see this surface right here, also like new. Flip to the other side, this is smooth and feels like new. So for those guys who doubted the quality and the engineering and the system completely, you just saw how it looks like after 50,000 kilometers of the sporty driving and abuse in the 123 diesel E87. We're going to assemble this again, put it back on the road without a problem. And that's a wrap. If you want to become a user of RacingDiffs LSD conversion kit, make sure you check the link in the description of this video. See you guys later.